Ladies and gents, gearheads and gravel goblins, today we're diving into the realm of your ride's important wheels, so check out this video and share with your social, as this info is important, yet is often overlooked. Spoked wheels aren't just old-school cool, they're precision tension networks holding your ride together. Think of them like the strings on a guitar. If one goes slack, the whole tune sounds off. Except here, instead of bad music, you get wobbles, rim warping, or worse, an unscheduled meeting with the tarmac. That's why checking spoke tightness isn't optional. It's survival. Loose spokes throw your wheel out of true, stress the rim, and can even snap under load. A quick ping test, tapping each spoke and listening for a crisp note, tells you if one's gone flat. Tighten it before it turns into a full-blown rim solo. So, next time you're cleaning your Zontes, give those spokes a little attention. It's like flossing, boring until you skip it, and then you're paying the price. Keep them snug, keep them singing, and your wheels will stay as true as your love for the open road. Check your spokes before they check you. Hit that like button if you'd rather keep your wheels round than your day ruined. If you're new to the channel, this is the only place on YouTube where you will find all you need to know regarding looking after your Zontes ride. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on new content uploads.
I'm coming for the throne.